Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe payment in Odoo. So actually guys, connecting Stripe allows your Odoo store to accept the credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay and other Stripe supported payment methods. So actually guys, first we'll need to create a Stripe account. So just go to the stripe.com or the Stripe official website and create or log into your account. Then just complete the business verification if required. So if you want to create a new account, you will need to go with contact sales here and then go with sign up. Okay, so here you will need to enter your email, full name, password, and the country. Then just go with create account, or you can just go with sign up with Google. So now we created an account on Stripe, right? And all you need to do here is to go with home and then just go with accounting or website. So you will need to choose between the accounting and website. So let's do it with the website here and then just go with configuration at the top bar. And now you will need to look for the payment providers. Okay. It's here. Okay, so the payments providers is the second last option, and now all you need to do is to go with Stripe here and install it. And now you will need to activate it, so just go with enable and then go with connect Stripe. So before connecting your Stripe, you will need to fill the blanks right here, the messages, and then just click on connect Stripe and connect your account to it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.